this little recipe with you guys today. It's gonna be a nice, beautiful seared tuna salad. So make sure you guys stay put. Hey guys, like I said, we're doing a nice, beautiful tuna salad today. We have these beautiful tuna steaks. Look at that nice pink. We have some mixed greens, our spices, grapes, red grapefruits, and cilantro dressing, some mayonnaise, and some honey. And we're gonna work with these ingredients to create a beautiful salad. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna coat our tuna steaks with a blend of spices. We have some chili powder with some smoked salt and garlic. And we wanna make sure that the tuna is well coated all around. While we're doing the tuna, we have our pan here with some vegetable oil. It's on and we're making sure it becomes really hot. So you don't want to start with cold pan because you want to make sure that you lock in all those juices inside the tuna, and you don't want the tuna to boil into the oil instead of searing, because you want to sear it so the inside can still be pink and beautiful. Now that we have our pan, it's going hot, and once you start reaching that smoking point, it's when you know you can put in your tuna steaks. So we're gonna put it away from ourselves. And we're searing it basically for approximately 10 seconds on each side. So you want to turn it. See that nice, beautiful char. Keep flipping. Have this beautiful color. And right now you're done. So we're gonna take it off the fire and we're gonna place it in the refrigerator. Now the tuna is in the refrigerator and it's bringing itself back to shape. Now we're gonna work on our dressing. What we have here is a blended cilantro with some vinegar and some oil that we strained. We're gonna use this for our vinaigrette. So we're adding some to the bowl. And we're gonna use some mayo. And some honey. What you wanna do is, you don't want it to be too watery and not too thick at the same time. And you still want that nice green color from the cilantro. And this is gonna be the base for your dressing for your salad. Add just a little bit more cilantro. And here you go, you have your dressing. So you want to taste to see if your flavors are balanced. The other ingredients that are going inside this dish also are the segmented grapefruits that you see here, the ruby red grapefruits, and those grapes, and these cilantro leaves. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take some few grapes and we're gonna cut them in half. And you wanna make sure that you use some grapes that are firm, because you still want that bite effect in your salad. So now we have the grapes, the grapefruit, the cilantro, and we have some mixed greens with our dressing. So now the time has come for us to now we're plating. Turning the dressing. Some of the greens. Some of the grapes. Slice our tuna on the bias. Place it. Some grapefruit segments. Some tuna. Put some leaves. And there you have it. And finish it up with a bit of color. This is sriracha mustard. And that's it. Here you go, guys. So thank you for joining me. This was In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire.